Are you ready to draw Mrs. Claus? Me too. Let's get started. Alrighty, to get started, let's go ahead and find the middle of our paper. Middle of our paper right there. We're just going to draw a smile. From there, we're going to go up at about 2 inches. And we're going to make an upside down V. I'm going to start over on this side, and I'm going to curve out, down and out. A little further. Same thing on the other side, down and out. From there, I'm going to make a circle. So I'm just going to circle around. And do this side. Whatever helps you with your circles. Mine's moving my paper around. Doesn't have to be perfect. Mine's not. It's a little crooked, and that's okay. Right above the smile on this side, I'm going to do an arch coming over. Same thing on the other side, about the same size. An arch coming over. These are the eyes, and I'm going to add 1, 2 straight lines. Let's do 3. 3 little lines on the outside for eyelashes. 1, 2, 3 on this side. Perfect. Starting at the bottom right here, I'm going to curve up. Same thing on the other side. I'm going to curve up. This is going to be the hair. I'm going to start just below the line and do another curved line coming up, and we're kind of coming in just like with that. Let's go again, up and in, up and in, and I'm going to stop right there because from this side I'm now going to go down. Same thing on the other side, down and connect, and then up on top. I'm going to go in, this side, curve line in, and starting on top of this one, I'm going to do one more mountain, up and over, just to make a little bun on top of her head. Down here, about as wide as the smile, I'm just going to do a little line on each side. I'm going to take a straight line coming out, and same thing on the other side, straight line coming out. From there, I'm going to curve it down and diagonal, having a line come out. Same thing over here. Little curve to that corner and a diagonal coming out. Right at this corner, I'm going to skip down and make a little line with a slight diagonal coming in. Same thing below this corner on the other side, about the same height. A little diagonal coming in. Tiny bit longer. That's better. From there, I'm going to curve out and down. Out and down. And then here at these bottom corners, I'm also going to curve it in, and they're just going to come straight across with a little curve to connect. Over here, I'm going to draw a straight line coming up. It's very similar to that line. And I'm going to connect. Same thing over here. I'm going to do a shorter line. And this one's going to connect here. And that one connects in. So she's got that hand on her hip. Now from top to bottom, I'm just going to do a little curve line. Same thing over here from one side to the other. A little curved line. Up here at the neck, going from one side to the other, I'm just going to make a U. Right here at this corner and this corner, I'm going to draw a line straight across. And right below it, I'm going to do another small line and a small line. I'm going to draw a line coming straight down on both sides. And then a U is going to attach those to make an apron. Right here across the bottom, I'm going to do mountains. They don't have to all be the same. Right across the bottom. And right here, from the middle, I'm going to draw a U this way, leaving a tiny space, a U this way, to give her some feet. Now up here on the hair, on this bun, above the line, I'm going to draw a circle. And then below it, I'm going to draw 1, 2 more circles. And coming out of it, I'm going to draw a leaf going in, over, diagonal up, and back in. And that's it. She is done. Our cute little Mrs. Claus is ready to be colored. Are you ready to see my final drawing? There she is. I think she turned out pretty adorable. I love a little Mrs. Claus. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. Thanks so much for coming to join us. Be sure to check out all of our exciting videos because we have tons of drawing videos, but we also have so much more. See you guys again soon. Bye.